Welcome back to Father and Son Fix. In this episode, we're looking at window plungers. Yeah, it's a window plunger. So it's this little thing here, and we're missing one on the other side here. These are what hold your screens from moving back and forth if you've got these old school single pane windows like we do. Now, this little black piece down at the bottom here, that's what prevents the screen from moving side to side. But if your screen is still rattling like ours, you're probably missing one or more of these window plungers that stop it from moving back and forth. So here's one of the new ones that we've replaced on this window already. And you can see here how it works. And in this episode, we're going to show you how to replace it on your window screen. So there are three basic parts here. You've got the metal plunger that goes into the rail that holds the screen in place. You've got this spring. You're going to put the spring onto the plunger, and then that plastic piece is going to snap on from the other side of the screen just like that. Okay, we'll show you how this goes. Knocking out some dust or bug guts there. Okay, and then we're going to clip in this piece. Plastic piece is just going to snap right in there. Now, if you run into an issue where you can't get the plunger through, you can run a thin screwdriver through the hole, but be careful that you don't tear the screen or the piece of rubber there that holds the screen in place. But that'll help you ream it out so that you can get it in there. The plastic piece can be hard to get on there, so you may need a pair of needle nose pliers like this just to snap it in place. And there you go. You can see how it works there. And you got good action, then you know you've installed it well. Here's another shot where we're pushing it down with the needle nose pliers. And then we're going to get that little cap here again on the bottom and just snap it into place just like that. We hope this helps you. Thanks for watching, and may your screens be rattle free. Have a great day.